Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be talking about a problem on rationalization of surds. So the question says we should simplify square root of 75 minus 3 divided by square root of 3 plus 1, leaving your answer in the form a plus b root c, where a, b and c are rational numbers. This is a WAEC past question. So to start with our solution, we'll write square root of 75 minus 3 all divided by root 3 plus 1. So in order to solve this, we'll apply what we call conjugate of surds. For you to rationalize a surd, you must multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. And our denominator in this case is square root of 3 plus 1. So the conjugate is square root of 3 minus 1. So we'll multiply it to the original equation. So we'll have root 75 minus 3 divided by root 3 plus 1. So multiplying by the conjugate, now we have root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So this is rationalizing of surds. After doing this, we'll do normal multiplication in mathematics. So let's start with the numerators. We'll multiply 75 by 3 now. So we have root 75 times root 3. Then we'll go to multiply 75 by 1. So we have by minus 1. So we'll be having minus root 75. Next step, we'll multiply minus 3 by root 3. So we have minus 3 root 3. And the last step, we'll multiply minus 3 times minus 1. So let's start with minus times minus, we have plus. 3 times 1, we have what? 3. So we'll divide. Now, if we remember a condition that they say difference of two squares, we will see that square root of a plus 1 times square root of a minus 1 is equal to square root of a square minus 1 square. So let's apply this logic to this denominator. So it means we'll be having square root of 3 square minus 1 square. Alright, so using surd law, we know that 75 will give you 25 times 3 and then times root 3. Then same thing here, 25 times 3, then minus this one, 3 root 3 plus 3, correct? Now let's look at it properly. If we are wrong, if we are confused, then we ask questions, please. Then we divide it by. Now let's start. This square can cancel this square root, so we have 3 minus 1 square is equal to what? 1, correct? Yeah. Okay, so let's proceed further. We have square root of 25 is 5, so we left with root 3 times root 3, then minus square root of 25 is also 5 root 3, then minus this, we have 3 root 3 plus 3. Alright, so we divide by 3 minus 1 will give you 2. Okay, so going further, we have 3 times 3, same thing as saying square root of what? 3 all square, minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 3 all divided by what? 2. So going further, we'll be having equals to 5. This square, we know that we cancel this one, so we are left with 5 times 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 3 all divided by 2. So let's continue this way. 5 times 3, we already know that it's 15. Here, if you look at this value here, this and this, you see that these are similar sorts with root 3 being common. So we can do normal subtraction. Minus 5 minus 3, this is positive difference, so we'll be having minus 8, and the common or similar sort is what? 3, then plus 3 all over what? 2. Now let's collect like terms. We know that 15 and 3 are like terms, so we'll be having 15 plus 3 will give you what? 18. So minus 8 root 3 all over what? 2. Now, we recall that they say we should leave our surd in the form of what? A plus B root C. So let's break down this value, this, to look like this. So we have equal to 18 minus 8 root 3 all divided by 2 will then become 18 divided by 2 minus 8 divided by 2 root 3. So cancelling through, this will give you 9, this will give you what? 4. So we'll be left with 9 minus 4 root 3, which tends to what? A plus B root C. That's your final answer. Thank you for going through the solution with me. If you have any question or any concern, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you.